So as you can see, button don't work. So I'm pushing them two in, nothing. And pushing them, nothing. So we have to investigate. This one's alright. See, that one works. But these two don't work, so we have to investigate. This is a DeLonghi microwave. And also, the bulb is gone as well. When I open the door, the bulb should come on and that should go on. But that's been like that for ages, for years. That's been like that, so we're going to investigate. See if we can fix it. Let's get this thing apart. Alright, we got it off. Alright, so what we got to do, we have to disconnect all of this to get that circuit board out. It's quite a lot of things to take off, you know. Yeah. There's 2 screws, no, there's 3 screws in there. Yeah, okay, let's get my small, easy access quarter drive socket set to get in there. Now this is the thing, yeah, that produces the microwave. So you don't want to really tamper with this, leaving that alone. No need to touch this anyway. Right, so I just pulled this out my microwave because, as you can see, the stop and the start button stopped working in my microwave. So I pull it apart, and that's the reason why not. The button gone. The buttons are gone. So we're gonna try and solder it off and try and stick this one on. Try and desolder these and stick these on. Yeah, I found this in my spares. So let's hope it works. Just desolder these switches off. Bam. Next. Bam. Get that one again. Alright, next. Bam. Next. Bam. Yeah, they call that a solder sucker. That's what it is. Yeah, so we've got off 2 of the switches now of that circuit board there. And now it's time to take off the ones on the microwave one that I won. See, that one's good, so it's these 2. Because these 2 are the ones that mostly get used. So that's why it's only them 2. See, all the other ones there, auto function, microwave and grill, convection. So just them 2 we got to solder off now. Alright, that's in. Time to solder it in now. Alright, so we soldered them back on now, the new ones. Let's just hope it works. Yeah, time to put this back in the microwave now. You know, because it's so cold in there. The cords, the wire for the solder knives is going really stiff. Now, if you're going to do this repair yourself, there's one thing you must look out for, yeah? You got to make sure that you put the switch in the right way. So as you can see, that can go in either way. The middle one, it had to line up sidewards, and the side one had to line up that way. I'll show you what I mean. Because you will get continuity one way, but not the other way. Alright. See that? It's no continuity. No, wait. See? That's what the two dots, the three dots going upwards. When I press the switch, see, I got a continuity when I press the switch. Hear it? I'm pressing the switch. Now if I turn it around and I put them on the bottom ones, see, I'm not actually pressing the switch in the moment. So the two bottom pins actually link together. Let's do the two top ones. The same thing, the two top ones are linked together. But the sides, as you can see, they're not linked. They're only linked when you press the button. So make sure, when you take out the old one, make sure you look at how the old one went in. And make sure you put the new one in the right way. Because you don't want to rust up yourself. You don't want to blow your ass up here. I don't want to be responsible for if you want to blow your ass up. Right, so that is where the bulb is, so you have to get that out to change the bulb. See that thing, the thing right there, there's two little tabs. Tab there, tab there. See, that hold it on, the bulb holder. Here we go. Yeah, you can tell that's gone, that bulb. That's definitely gone. Right, so here's a new bulb to put in. You see it? You see the light on there? See it? You see the light? It's working now, it's working. See the light on? See it? See it? It's working. See, it's working now, working. Job done.